Hi everyone, as you know, this week's English is based around the book Treasures in the Garden. Miss Phillips created a video where she read the story to you, and today I'm creating a video to help you with your writing. Now, yesterday you should have planned your story, so you should have a good idea about what you want to say. In your writing today, I would like you to focus on using conjunctions. Now, we've done conjunctions a lot in school, so you should be quite familiar with them. But just to remind you, a conjunction is a word that links two parts of a sentence or two clauses together. Now, on the screen is an example that I've taken from the one that I wrote that we're going to look at a little bit later, and I'm going to read that now. So he says, he looked everywhere for it, but he couldn't find it anywhere in his house. So I've used the conjunction but in this sentence to link those two parts of the sentence, the two clauses together. Now there's a video link on this screen and on the home learning diary. And if you want some more information or to remind yourselves a bit more about what conjunctions are, and you can click on that to find a little bit more out. Now on this screen, we've got the conjunction word map, which you can also download from the website. Now this has the conjunctions and, because, but, and when on it, and there are some similar conjunctions we can use instead of but and instead of when. So maybe in your writing today, you could see if you could include one of those other ones in place of but or when. Right. So let's have a look at my example. To remember that today we really are focusing on using conjunctions to extend our sentences. Okay, so I'm going to read through my example, and what I would like you to do as I read it is really think about when I've used a conjunction and see if you can spot all the conjunctions I have used. So it says, it was a lovely sunny Saturday morning when Sam realized that he had lost his favorite toy car. He looked everywhere for it, but he couldn't find it anywhere in his house. He was very upset, so his big brother Fred said he would play a game with him to help him look. They went out into the garden and decided that the first place they would look was the beach. The hot sun was shining brightly on the golden sand and the wind blew gently over the water. They looked in the sand dunes and behind a large grey rock. They couldn't find Sam's car anywhere, but they did find a beautiful shell. They left the beach and decided to check in the jungle. So that's just the first part of my story. There is obviously more of my story that I need to write. But in this section, hopefully you managed to find all the conjunctions that I used. Now, if you want to look a little bit more, then you can pause the video and have a look, because I'm about to go on to the next page where it shows you where the conjunctions are. So here are all the conjunctions that I've used. So I've used when, but, so, and some more conjunctions going through the writing. Now, you probably noticed that most, if not all of my sentences have a conjunction. That's because when we use a conjunction, it makes the writing more interesting. We include more information and it helps our writing flow. If we use lots of sentences that don't have conjunctions, then the writing doesn't flow very well and we don't have as much information in the sentences. Hopefully, you can use this example and see how I've used conjunctions and adapt that for your own writing. Okay, it's over to you now. So it's your turn to start writing your story. And today, we'd like you to write the first 3 parts of your story. So the first 3 boxes of your plan, and then you're going to finish that tomorrow. Now on the screen now is the first sentence that I've used. I've taken out the name that I chose for my main character and the toy that my main character lost for you to add in your own. If you would like to use your own sentence and not use that first one, that is okay as well. I will leave it up to you, but it might help you to get going. Right, good luck. And I really would like to see some of these stories that you've written. So please send them into the Year 1 shared email address. But I know your teachers would like to see that as well. All right, speak to you soon. Bye.